I'm Anjali Adlakha. I'm 27 years old. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA in Research and Business Analytics from Wellinkar, Mumbai. So I did not have a plan in my mind, like I want to straight away start investing, or if I had a long-term goal, like people have a goal, they want to buy a car or travel somewhere 5 years down the line. There was nothing in my mind. I just wanted my money to be safe and grow in a way that it matches the inflation rate as well. I had some savings in my fixed deposits for like 2.5 years. Then I always knew the power of compounding. So once I was going through the videos, so it suddenly struck me that I pulled out all my money from the fixed deposits, and within a week or two I made my Demat account on Zerodha, and then within a week or two again, after going through all the small cases and all the stocks, I invested in stock market from Zerodha. Feels empowered. It definitely feels joyful when I track my investments weekly or monthly. Yes, it is helpful. Some of the lessons that I learned initially were, do not put all your eggs in the same basket. This is one thing that my cousin has been reminding me since day one. So whenever I'm in a fix or I am like in somewhere confused about it, I go to my cousin, he helps me out with it. I really want to emphasize on the importance of financial literacy. Like even if I go by my own family, very few of us have invested in the equity. Most of us, like 80 to 85% in my cousins as well as elders, are debt people only. They have invested in debt instruments. So I think financial literacy is very important, even if it comes to as basic as saving and investing, as basic as keeping a track of where your money goes at the end of the month. In fact, when I began on this journey, I did not tell my parents about it, that I am withdrawing my money from fixed deposit, because they are reluctant about it. Even today also, when I told my father about the profits that I earned in 1.5 years, he was surprised to know that. Things were physical. I am sure I would not have been giving this interview. I am sure I would not have pulled my money from the fixed deposits. I am very much sure about it. Because yes, online options and things are just one click away. Zerodha took me almost 20-25 minutes to make this account, and then they, I think, approved it in 2 days. So obviously if it was not at my fingertips, I wouldn't have gone for it.